Life-Hamell. Say it's a dog's life, but it's fine for me. Say it's a dog's life, but I'm happy, happy as can be. Say it's a dog's life, people complaining about the economy. But if you ain't got nothing, there's nothing to lose, you say. Meet me in the doghouse back by the bar, knocking back shots with my pals. People complain we're mongrels at best, we're wagging our tails. You know, we be wagging our tails. Well, it's a dog's life, back alleys and trash cans at dawn. It's a dog's life, hey you mutt, you best move on. It's a dog's life, stay away from my daughter with your doggy song. Well, hey doggy, the way you're living, that's wrong. Hey mister, don't make no judgment call. I'm happy howling at the moon. You're not to laugh on your way up. You never know, you could be joining us soon. You know, you could be joining us soon. It's a dog's life, but it's fine for me. What do you think, Charlie? Yeah.